Welcome back to Innovin Foods. I'm Nahida and today we are making something savory, crisp and super comforting, rice egg snacks. This dish is a beautiful fusion of texture and taste. Let's get started. Take 1 cup of soaked rice, soak for 2 hours and wash it well. Now add 2 eggs, half cup cooked rice and 1 teaspoon salt. Mix everything well. Eggs and rice are two of the most consumed ingredients in the world. Pour this mixture into a blender. This dish is a perfect way to use up leftover cooked rice. Use both soaked and cooked rice for the perfect texture. Add 3/4 cup water and blend until smooth. Eggs are a rich source of protein and essential vitamins. Rice provides quick energy and keeps you full longer. Now transfer it to a bowl. Add 2 chopped green chilies and half cup grated carrot. Mix gently to combine. Grated carrot adds not just color but moisture and slight sweetness. Heat oil in a pan on medium heat. Pour small portion of the mixture and fry for 5 to 6 minutes on both sides until golden brown. Carrots are high in vitamin A and great for your eyesight. Home fried snacks are always safer and cleaner than store-bought. Medium heat ensures even frying without burning. This rice egg snacks is a delightful snack or light meal. Your delicious rice egg snacks is ready to enjoy hot and crispy. Crispy outside, soft inside and full of flavor. If you enjoyed this savory twist on a classic, don't forget to like and share. Tell us in the comments, would you try this for breakfast or tea time? And of course subscribe to Innovin Foods for more easy and unique recipes. Thanks for watching, keep cooking and keep smiling.